Bonjour, bonjour. It's Bay&Sons. Bay&Sons snow removal. Man, my freaking cousin don't call me for Christmas, don't call me for New Year's, but his ass don't call me for some fucking snow removal. So yeah, that's the start of our new business. Hey, living that life, 6-figure life, money don't sleep. Gotta keep it. We gotta maintain our lifestyle up there. And this kid, he always wanna buy games for his Minecraft stuff, phone games and stuff. So yeah, we gonna come out here do some work. Yeah, buddy, snow removal. Hey, look, you see that? Like, and his freaking driveway, man. That thing, that's like a $75 to $100 job right there, bro. Well, we got a family discount. Oh, charge him $35. I don't need the money, but this kid need the money. He's gonna learn today. Gonna work for his money. First day at work, look at him. Out here playing snow. Looks like we're gonna be here for a long time. Alright guys, need snow removal. Hit me up on IG. $50, $75, $100. I love money and money loves me. Dude, I don't even think he home. He said I'm not gonna be home. Must be nice, dude. He living that good life too. He making a lot of money. Just pay people to show their snow. Alright, just zell me, son. Adios. Bonjour, bonjour. Bay&Sons snow removal. Fuck. A lot of work to do. Haven't shoveled for like a whole year. It's like a new year already. We'll call for some snow service. Alrighty. Y'all done, buddy. How's your first day at work, killer? Is that fun? Is it worth it or we should get more?
My hand's gonna get...
Oh, you're about to lose a hand. Oh, man. That's like life-threatening type shit right here. Fuck, man. Terrible. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I gotta show the other parts, huh? Oh, check it out, man. This kid haven't shoveled for a whole year. I'm gonna call 2022 for some service. I've been having snow since like 2021. Ridiculous. Sell me my money. Thank you.